I've been pretty tight in my mid back. I just started hitting upper body last week due to my hand having surgery. I can do any pull movements, but I can't do any push still. So my mid back and probably, upper back is a little more sore than usual, pretty tight.
Perfect.
Oh,
there we go.
that one felt good.
Shoulders.
This is my favorite.
Press your elbow back.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh my
God. Right on cue. That was so loud.
That was loud.
Good. That was a good one.
Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, flip. That was more tough than usual.
That was solid.
I think it's because in the dental I'm leaning kind of this way more, so it's more tight over here. Oh my goodness.